Xinhua News Agency. The 78th World Health Assembly WHA will be held on May 19th. Taiwan has not received an invitation. What's Chinese government's comment? China's position on the Taiwan region's participation in the activities of international organizations, including the WHO, is consistent and clear. That is, this must be handled under the One China principle, which is also a fundamental principle demonstrated by the UNGA Resolution 2758 and WHA Resolution 25.1. China's Taiwan region, unless given approval by the central government, has no basis, reason, or right to participate in the WHA. The DPP authorities have been hell-bent on the separatist stance of Taiwan independence. As a result, the political foundation for the Taiwan region to participate in the WHA no longer exists. To uphold the One China principle as well as the sanctity and authority of relevant UNGA and WHA resolutions, China has decided not to approve the Taiwan region's participation in this year's WHA. For quite some time, the DPP authorities and certain countries have been blatantly turning back the world of history and deliberately distorting and challenging UNGA Resolution 2758 to challenge the One China principle. This challenges not only China's sovereignty and territorial integrity, but also international justice and prevailing consensus, as well as the post-war international order. China's decision of not letting the Taiwan region participate in this year's WHA has received wide support and understanding from the international community. This fully demonstrates that the One China principle is where global opinion trends and the arc of history bends, and what the greater international interests entail. The international community's commitment to the One China principle is simply unchallengeable and unshakable. No matter what the DPP authorities say or do, they can't change the fact that Taiwan is part of China's territory, nor can they stop the historical trend towards China's ultimate and inevitable reunification. Taiwan independence leads nowhere, and the provocations for this agenda are doomed to failure.